Number 8. What will be the exponent on 10 when finding the quotient of 4.15 times 10 to the 15th and 2.28 times 10 to the 6th? So remember, quotient means to divide. So we're just going to divide these two. Okay, so 4.15 times 10 to the 15th over 2.28 times 10 to the 6th. Now there's a couple ways that you could do this. You could divide and subtract your exponents like we learned before. Most of you are probably just going to plug it in your calculator. What I would suggest when you're dealing with scientific notation is I would put my calculator in scientific mode. So if you hit the mode button, which is next to the second button, the second one over says SCI, and then we can get back out of that. And so now when I plug things in, it's going to put it in scientific notation. So this would be 2.88 times 10 to the second power. So that E means the 2 is the exponent. So what I'm going to do is just type in this problem. You can see both. Now you got to put parentheses around the numerator. And then just, oops, I put minus. That should be times. And then I'm going to divide that by the denominator. Again, I've got to put parentheses. And hit enter. So I'm left, what I get is 1.82. So 1.82 times 10 to the 9th power. And so the question is just asking, what is the exponent? Well, the exponent on 10 is 9. So this wasn't a very hard problem. It's very easy. Sometimes just plugging things into the calculator you might just come across the answer. If it's multiple choice, that makes it a little bit easier. And again, like I said, you could have just subtracted your exponents too. If we did 4.15 divided by 2.28, oops, I'm still in scientific notation. If I get back out of that, I get that 1.12, and then all I have to do is subtract these exponents like we learned, like you learned last year in algebra. 15 minus 6 gives us 9. So that's another way to do it. But again, it's just both of them are both pretty easy.